This video focuses on portable IGBT inverter welders. Inverter technology has made welding equipment much more portable. IGBT technology uses advanced circuits to lower power consumption and significantly reduce the machine's overall weight. Many welders include features like hot start and anti-stick, which are designed to help users create clean, high-quality welds. Portability is key. Some of these welders weigh as little as 3.8 kilograms. Good designs often feature shoulder straps for easy carrying by workers. Welding machines require specific power. Many units use 220-volt single-phase power, but dual-voltage units offer greater flexibility, supporting both 120 volts and 220 volts 240V. The duty cycle indicates how long a machine can weld within a 10-minute period. For example, a 60% duty cycle means the machine welds for 6 minutes and then cools for 4 minutes. Stick welding, or SMAW, is often used outdoors on rough metal and has a harder learning curve. MIG, or flux cord welding, is preferred indoors for clean metal and is easier to learn. Modern inverters often combine multiple processes. A single machine can offer stick, MIG/mag, and TIG capabilities. Standard machines provide around 200 amps, suitable for melting 1 to 5 millimeter electrodes. Thick metal, however, requires higher amperage. Portable welders typically cost between 3,500 and 8,000 rupees. Leading brands include IBELL and ESAB. Note that these prices reflect data from May 2026. Portable welders are versatile. Users can repair steel gates, tackle home improvement projects, and mechanics can perform small fabrication jobs. Choosing the right welder involves balancing weight and power, matching the power source, and selecting the correct welding process for the job.